Hey, it's Sam here from KitchenGadgetsClub.com and the voice behind the popular Kitchen Gadgets podcast, Magic with Gadgets. Today I'm bringing you Ninja Speedi homemade chips. During the making of this beauty, which is our multi-cooker cooking guide, which you can pre-order now and is brilliant for knowing the time and temps to so many different foods, I did a ridiculous amount of chips. And I just loved them the most out of the different multi-cookers in the Speedi. I think it does a brilliant job. And what I want to show you now is just quickly, using our time and temp chart, how to cook chips the Speedi way, and you're just going to love them. And if you've not pre-ordered yet, please do, because it really helps us out, and we're worried that we're going to run out of stock, so it guarantees you a copy on publication date, and you don't get charged until Amazon sends you out to have it delivered to you. So you order it now and you don't pay anything until October, which is brilliant. So don't forget about our time and temp chart. But let's get on with these chips, shall we? And I'll show you how great Ninja Speedi chips are. So I've got 3 potatoes here. The weight that I always go with when I'm doing Ninja chips is I go with 400 grams, which is the same as a pound in weight. And then you've got an equal portion, so that when I'm comparing notes from gadget to gadget, I can say, right, they were always done with a pound. When I'm actually cooking them just for our family, obviously I'll do more, but when I'm showing you these experiments, I find that a pound is a perfect experiment for you. And of course, this is one of our days dedicated to the Ninja Speedi, where we're teaching you the basics and how easy it is to use. So that's all the chips, chopped into chips I should say, all the potatoes chopped into chips, and then measuring any measuring bowl you've got. I use this to weigh out the potatoes with to make sure I had the obligatory pound, but it's also great for mixing your chips in, because you want to get the oil and seasoning directly onto the chips. Because I often get asked, where do you put the oil? Well, it is on the food, so the bowls are brilliant for this. So this bowl out, and then adding in all your chips, and then any that are stuck together you can just separate. And you can do them chunky, you can do wedges as well if you'd rather. And then a good seasoning of salt, a bit of pepper, and then last but not least, a bit of olive oil. And then we're going to get our hands in. And you mix until you can feel oil on all the chips, and they kind of look like that. And then they're ready to go in. So pop them in your Speedi. Spread them out. And then I'm just going to give my hands a quick wipe, and we can set the time and temp. Right, so we're going to put the lid down, and I recommend about 25 minutes for total cook time of your chips. But we're going to start them slowly so that we can check on them and see if they need a shake or anything first. Let's make some air fried chips using the Ninja Speedi. So for these versions, I'm actually doing the air fry setting just to show you what air fried chips are like in it. So you want a temperature of 170 Celsius, that's 340 Fahrenheit. So it's like you're in between, because I've done them before at both 160 and 180. And then for the cooking time, you are looking for 18 minutes, and then press start. If you're serious about learning how to use the Ninja Speedi, then can I recommend our new multi-cooker time and temp chart. It's brand new, it's on pre-order now, and it's under a £5, and it has lots and lots of different cooking times based on the different settings. From steam air fry to when to air fry, grill, steam, and so many others. It will really get you started with using your Speedi and understanding how long to cook your food for. And now, back to the video. And we've beeped, so it's done its initial cook time now, so we can check on them and see how much longer they need, and you can just see how good Speedi chips are, because I'm really impressed with them. And this is just using normal air fry. You can of course steam air fry, but I find just air fry works better. But steam air fry is more like the texture of the fish and chip shop, so it just depends on how you prefer your chips. So shall we get the lid up and check on them? Oh yes, look at them beauties. And they do stick a little bit to the bottom of these crisp plates with the Ninja. Let me just show you. As you can see there, a little bit stuck at the bottom. But what you can do is, like I'd normally say to shake them, you can just get a ladle and a big spoon, whatever you feel like, and then just move them about a bit. Just turn them over, and then we can get them back on. So now, let's get them back on. I'm going to put them back on for another 7 minutes, and then we can see how they're doing. And then, to finish off cooking the chips, I recommend that you take the temperature up to 180 Celsius, that's 360 Fahrenheit. And then for a cook time, we're looking for 7 minutes. And then press start. And are you ready to check out the chips? What chips actually look like when they've been done in the Ninja Speedi, just on the normal air fryer setting. I wonder if you'll like these. Got a fork out ready for a fork test? Shall we go? Oh yes, look at them babies. Don't they look lovely? Oh, take a look at those. Aren't they gorgeous? I can't believe how nice they are when you do the air fry setting in here. Look at those as well. Oh yes, please. And that's just how great chips are in it. So I'm going to get some dished up so that you can get a closer view. Oh yes, look at this. And a good portion size as well. I find that a pound of potatoes is just perfect for when I'm doing this and when I'm experimenting. Perfect for 1 or 2 of you, depending on what you're having it with, or if you're having it on its own. For perfect chips done using the Ninja Speedi. So if you've not done chips before in the Ninja Speedi, then I highly recommend it for them, because they're just so good. Just look at the colouring on them. They're just amazing. Look at that. So if you've not done them before, then start with these, and before you move on to the steamer air fry one. And don't forget to check back again tomorrow, because this is part of our 30 days dedicated to Ninja Speedi beginner recipes. Thanks so much for watching our YouTube video. It feels so amazing that you've stuck around to the end. And of course, that must mean that you like our videos. So why not also follow us on social media? You can find us at the Kitchen Gadgets Club on Facebook, and on Pinterest, TikTok, we're Kitchen Gadgets Club. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great videos like this one. And you can also find us at kitchengadgetsclub.com, where we have a membership that shares brand new kitchen gadget recipes every week. And we also have lots of great ideas, resources, tips and tricks. And we are an ovenless kitchen, so we teach you exclusively how to cook with kitchen gadgets. And a ciao for now.